Hey everybody, this is Lee from Bald Thoughts, where we teach how to travel more, spend less, and live better. And I'm here with the suitcase from the Art of Travel called the Traveler's Choice. We're actually getting ready to go on a little overnight trip down to the beach, go hang out with the family for the weekend, and I wanted to be able to show you some of the cool features of this suitcase. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, so you can see with this Traveler's Choice suitcase, it has a lot of great features built in. Rugged handle, which is great. Telescoping handle. Got an extra zipper here. You unzip this, zip it back in, where it'll actually increase the size of the suitcase by 25%. One of the great features right here is if you want to charge your phone, charge your battery on like an iPad, something like that, you just go ahead and plug it in right there. It does not come with a battery pack, but you know, those are super cheap. You can get those anywhere now. And the good thing here, you see the wheels spin 360 degrees. So as you're going through the airport, going on a vacation, going to the hotel, whatever, the wheels are going to be working perfect for you as you go around. And then also a great place right here to grab it if you're getting ready to lift it into your car, lift it into you know, the bus, whatever, taking you to the airport, taking you from the hotel, etc. Let's go ahead and open it up. So you can see as we open it up, there's a lot of space in here. It has two different compartments. One with the zipper, so that way you can put all your information here, all your clothes. There is additional zippers here. You can see on the inside, you can see very rugged material. That's good. If you ever need to clean it out, things like that. So a lot of good features. And then here to help strap down your clothes, got this extra feature here. Again, nice rugged construction. Seems like it's going to last quite a long time through a number of trips. And then this right here is where you keep your battery pack. Pretty big storage space, so you can fit your pack in there. So it comes with a cord. So here's my battery pack from Southwest. Put the charger in there, and then let's see, go ahead and plug that in. Do it one-handed. So plug it in, boom, zip it back up. It's nice and removable, which is good because nowadays the airplanes do not allow you to have smart, quote-unquote, smart luggage in your suitcase. And so if you do have a battery pack, you have to remove it before you go on, before you check the flight. I'm not one that ever really focuses on checking bags. I always like to have a carry-on, which is great because this one is about 22 inches and fits the standard for being able to go into the overhead compartment. And I don't like having to check bags, so having a small suitcase like this that is going to be able to fit everything is perfect. So, all right, as you can see, we have all the clothes for my son and myself. My wife has her own suitcase, so she's going to be able to put her information, all her clothing there. But a lot of space, very spacious to be able to fit everything we need for a weekend. You know, when you're traveling with kids, you got to be able to take multiple changes of clothes, even if you're only going for 1 or 2 nights. And so with this suitcase, a lot of space, puts everything right in there. Definitely room if there's any sort of souvenirs, things like that. And if we ever need it, again, we just unzip this little zipper right here, and the suitcase will expand by about 25%. So you can fit plenty of room for souvenirs, clothing, towels, anything like that you end up coming home with. There's plenty of room. So overall, I really like the suitcase. Again, nice and rugged, so it should be able to withstand you know, bumps and bruises that will occur when you're traveling around. People throwing your suitcases around, me throwing my suitcase around, kids jumping on things, all that good stuff. Really like the suitcase here. So I may actually have to turn this one into my primary suitcase and leave the other one as more of a backup. So overall, Really enjoyed the suitcase. Gonna try it out this weekend and see if there's anything that I find that I don't like. But so far, so good. And I'm gonna have a review written on my blog at baldthoughts.com. So go ahead and check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below.